Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make a signboard mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, copy a logo that you want to place on signboard. So press Ctrl A to select and press Ctrl C to copy. And go back to the original layer, and don't worry, it's temporarily saved in Photoshop memory. So create a new layer. Go to Filter, Vanishing Point, and add perspective to the hanging signboard. Now press Ctrl V to paste the logo and press Ctrl T to transform. When you are satisfied with the adjustment, so just click on OK. Now go to blending options. Break the white underlying slider by holding Alt and drag with click and move to the left side. And hit OK. Your signboard mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.